Hi, and welcome to the course on how to make digital planners fast and easy. By the end of this course, you will know how to create a digital planner with working hyperlinks and fully customizable design. You will also learn how to make a stylish mock-up of your planner that you then will be able to post on Etsy or Pinterest. I've made more than 20k sales on Etsy selling digital planners and stickers, and I will show you my whole process of creating digital planners from start to finish. So if you want to create digital planners for yourself or for selling, this course is perfect for you. During this course, you will create a digital planner with more than 400 pages. You will also have a base project in Keynote that you then can customize and make your own unique planners. You will also have several mockups that you will be able to post on social media or other platforms where you want to sell your planners. As a bonus, you will get a free Canva template with transparent iPad and a stylus that can be used for creating your own mockups. By the end of this course, you will learn how to make color variations of your planner and make templates for future projects that you will be able to modify in just a few moments. I will show you the techniques I've developed over the years that saved me a ton of time and let me focus on the creative part of the designing. And I will share with you free apps and websites that I use for elements and backgrounds. To follow the tutorials, you will need Keynote installed on your Mac computer. I will show you how to create the whole design in Keynote without using expensive software like Illustrator or Photoshop. And if you own an iPad or other tablet, it will be easier for you to test our planner, but it is not necessary and you will be able to test it on your computer. And if you have an iPad, I would recommend installing such apps as GoodNotes 5 or Xodo or Colanote, which is free, to test your planner hyperlinks and writing. So by the end of this course, you will have all the knowledge you need to start designing the planner of your dreams. If you're ready to start, I will see you on the course.